Hello, in today's vlog, chika lang. Okay, reason for vlogging here in Facebook page. Oh well, na-monetize. No? Why na-monetize? Naswertihan. Anong naswertihan? Nagkugi. Okay, so a real fact, okay. I was very consistent for 2 weeks and I was able to get views, and then so happened na taas ang minutes, so na-monetize, no? And mostly good, Bisaya, and mostly it is based on original content, no? And my content is based on inspiration, motivational, tutorial, whatever, whatever comes to mind. I love inspirational quotes like that. If I see things, I would just video, But it doesn't really like add more value. So I think more with your personality, I think, what works here in Facebook. No, I think it's most on you showing the audience who are you in the beginning. I'm wearing my glasses, guys, because I can't really see right now. If I don't, I will be squinting. So from here and there, I'll just gonna be randomly like throw like this, like informative things, like out of nowhere, just talking nonsense. Anyway, this is just for you guys to my advice is just keep on posting something that have a little bit of value to your video. I think I have something in every of my video. Even though if it's just random stuff like that, but I make sure there is something in the video that you can like learn something. So that's my always it's my target goal for everyone to at least learn something, just a little bit of something, right? Or any information, whatever it is. So yeah, that's my video for today. Nothing to talk about, it's just random. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow and see if I can come up with something. Right, ciao, bye.